Okay, we're out on the lathe. I got a 300 Blackout barrel. We're going to be dialing this in, and it has a hammer mark on it. Oh my gosh, somebody beat the piss out of it. Okay, we're going to get rid of these marks so that it'll fit back in the nut properly and pull up tight. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a cut-off blade. We're going to run up here and knock this off, and probably knock this here little bump out too. Okay, we're going to get this thing dialed in, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. And we got rid of the hammer dents, and we got a nice machine surface back on our flange where the nut tightens up. And we're going to be putting this back together. Okay.